Hi, I'm John. I work as a software engineer. The way I arrived at it is when I first got to college, actually, I was planning to major in something like economics or business, but I took a couple different coding classes and I enjoyed it. So I eventually got a degree in data science from the University of California, Berkeley. And then after graduating from Berkeley, I actually worked as an intern for a professional baseball team, but that was a data science type internship. But I still was interested in software engineering, and so on the side, outside of work, I would practice data structures and algorithms, coding questions, and I did those. I did a lot of those, and I eventually got an interview at Amazon, and I got an offer from Amazon as a software engineer. Worked at Amazon for about a year and a half, and then I left Amazon to work at a financial trading firm, also as a software engineer. So in terms of what I do on a daily basis and what do I learn, make, solve, that sort of thing, I think in terms of the language that I mostly use Python. That's one of my favorite coding languages, and then I also do some Java programming as well. I also collaborate with others at the trading firm that I work at. So the main tool that we work on is an analytics dashboard that monitors trading activity across different financial services. And so working on this tool involves like a lot of collaboration. And so one of the tools that I use when collaborating with others is a tool called GitHub. So GitHub is it's a version control tool where people can collaborate on different coding projects. Now, in terms of what I think would be most important to tell my 13-year-old self, I think I would probably tell myself this is kind of a boring answer actually, but I think I would tell myself to try a lot in terms of school and try the opportunities that are given to me, like be proactive in obtaining them. And so for the first point, try hard in school. I think getting into a college, getting into a computer science program, again, this is a boring answer, but I think getting into a good computer science program in college can help a lot with obtaining interviews, which will help later in your career as a software engineer. And then to my second point of being proactive in terms of pursuing opportunities, even as a high school student, you can do internships as a software engineer, or you could you could attend hackathons as a high school student or as a 13-year-old. You can work on projects with others and put them on the internet and get feedback and learn that way. And so I think that's probably what I would suggest. Just be very proactive in chasing the opportunities that you enjoy doing. And then, yeah, I think that's probably something I would tell myself if I was 13.